What is up, Theta homies? It is your boy Justin Bassetti back again with another Theta token video, another Theta token update. Just a friendly reminder, if you're new to the channel trying to find as much Theta news, updates, NFTs, or any kind of Theta partnerships, please hit that like and subscribe button. Check out all the links down below in the description for all the links I post in this video, along with my Imagine Replay referral link if you are trying to earn as much TNT 20 token, especially on the Theta blockchain, in addition to staking your Theta tokens to my Guardian node or staking your TFuel tokens to my Elite Edge node. I believe in the making of this video, my Elite Edge node may be full, so if you want to help earn as much TFuel passively as possible, check out my Guardian node. You'll see the QR codes here as well as the addresses down below in the description, along with all the other links I'll post in this video. So enough of the introduction, going on to the news for you guys, starting off with seeing here that Mitch Liu posted, read all about the Theta Network original spherical 360 video splicing tech and relevance to image to video gen AI. Going on to this repost, it looks like it was on June 13th of 2024. Going on to Theta Network, Theta team is excited to release the newest addition to the Edge Cloud AI Showcase, an image to video AI model card for the stable video diffusion model for Stability AI. This has also been added to the Edge Cloud Model Explorer dashboard. So for those who've been using this or have used the demo for it, definitely put some thoughts and comments down below. I'll try to play around with it and see what I can play with later on, but I just want to go on to the news. So for those who are trying to understand the purpose of Theta, like in terms of more recent updates, this is the channel and video for you. Going on to the actual article, it'll see here on posted on 2 days ago, so roughly around June 13th of 2024. So seen here is that introduction, the title of the Edge Cloud, introducing image to video generative AI model. Scrolling down a little bit more, seen right here, this tweet right here was highlighted earlier, so the post was just copy and pasted what it sounds like. Scrolling into the image itself, here's the generative AI showcase for those who want to look at the demo before actually utilizing it. Scrolling down a little bit more about the background, generative AI, particularly image to video models, represents a significant technical advancement, and its application cloud could fundamentally transform the media landscape. These AI models convert static images to dynamic video content using advanced algorithms and deep learning techniques. This transformation from image to video is not only groundbreaking but also opens up a myriad of opportunities across various industries, from entertainment and advertising to education and healthcare. Many of today's algorithmic Gen AI image to video concepts draw from their Theta's own experience from almost a decade ago. Jihe and the team developed cutting-edge, complex image and video technologies in 2015 in the VR space captured by this patent. And an example of spherical 360 output video here, generated within the Unity game engine, utilizing an array of virtual cameras, multiple image frames, spliced together over a dimension. So you can see here is the standard, that diffusion, these details, the parameters, kind of similar to how the AI model is set up as of right now when it comes to any of the text to images. Continuing on to the next part, a video recorded using a virtual camera array during a gameplay of a source computer game. Next, upscaling the received video to a higher resolution and interpolating neighboring video frames from upscaled video for insertion into the upscaled video at a server. Finally, generating a spherical video from the interpolated video for a replay in a virtual reality environment. The virtual camera array includes multiple virtual cameras, each facing a different direction, and the video is recorded as a frame rate and resolution lower than those of the source computer game. The spherical videos are provided on a video sharing platform. Kind of reminds me, for those who played, I believe it was CSGO or Counter-Strike Global Offensive. So when your character loses in the certain round, for example, when you're playing, it's a combat game, so when you die and you're watching your teammates, and then you can leave the essential area and then you can look around. I believe that is what they're referring to. I believe there was an article previously about this type of technology, but that was what they're referring to in regards to Jihe and that type of spherical type of images when it comes to looking around as to the game itself. How text to image video generative AI models work. Image to video generative AI models leverage neural networks, specifically diffusion transformers, also known as DITS or DITS, I believe. Generative adversarial networks, GANs, and video latent diffusion models, video LDMs. These models are trained on vast datasets of images and videos, learning patterns and movements to predict and generate video frames from static images. Diffusion transformer is a class of diffusion models that are based on a transformer architecture, which aims to improve the performance of the diffusion models by replacing the commonly used U-Net backbone with a transformer. The impressive Sora demo from OpenAI is rumored to be powered by DIT network. GANs consist of two neural networks, a generator and a discriminator, which work in tandem tandem. The generator creates video frames, while the discriminator evaluates their realism, refining the output through iterative training. Video LDMs. These models train the main generative model in latent space of reduced computational complexity. Many of the video LDMs leverage a pre-trained text-to-image model and insert temporal mixing layers of various forms into the pre-trained architecture, which produces a model that can easily be fine-tuned for image-to-video generation or multi-view synthesis. Based on this approach, the Theta team is excited to release its newest image-to-video AI model, called for the Stable Diffusion model from Stability AI, which has been added to the Edge Cloud AI Showcase and the Edge Cloud Model Explorer dashboard. Take note, this technology is still in its early development and video quality will improve over time. Leveraging Edge Cloud, and any AI developer can now access this model and begin experimenting with a novel media and entertainment applications. Market opportunities. The market for image-to-video generative AI is rapidly growing, driven by advancements in AI research and increasing demand for dynamic content. Several tech giants and startups are investing heavily in this technology, developing new applications and improving existing models. Companies like Google, Nvidia, and OpenAI are at the forefront, integrating these models into product and services, while startups are emerging to develop specialized services and applications. So taking a quick pause, it kind of sounds like you do have these bigger infrastructures and companies and organizations doing the whole umbrella of it, and then you have these startups that are being more specific as to how they're going to be able to help these bigger corporations apply their businesses or these certain models to their technology. So it sounds like for those startups that are very specific use cases may be beneficial for these over bigger corporations rather than having smaller startups that have general help where the bigger companies can do themselves. I feel like the smaller companies that have more specific utilities and help and assistance may be better performance, but that's just my own opinion based on what I'm reading. These videos are never financial advice. Definitely do your own research, guys. A number of industries can reap the benefits of image-to-video AI technology and tools to create original content more quickly and efficiently. Entertainment and media. A significant market segment leveraging AI to create animations, visual effects, and content generation. Advertising. Marketers use AI-generated videos for personalized and targeted advertising campaigns. Educational content creation, including instructional videos and virtual tutors. Applications in medical imaging, patient education, and virtual health consultations. The Theta team invites you to try the new image-to-video AI showcase and have fun experimenting. So maybe we can actually go here too. Let's try it out. Let's go on to the actual link. So it says drop and choose a file. So image to video. I thought I was going to go, I was thinking about text to video. So that's what I was thinking. So as of right now, I don't have anything associated with it. So we'll hold off on this for right now. Continue on to Mitch here scene. If you haven't already, we need help, everyone's help at the Theta Network in the URL, of course, to replace the dot with. So seeing here, there was an issue. I did mention this before. You can even see one of my previous posts about it. So this was on June 12th of 2024. And then Theta Network even says here, Theta community, we need your help. X is incorrectly blocking their Edge Cloud website links. Please help us to push X to remove this false positive by submitting this form. Only takes a few seconds to submit. Submit the form with both URLs. So if you haven't yet, check that out. So this was posted on June 12th of 2024. You can even see here as well, June 12th of 2024 for Mitch. So we'll actually go on to mine where I actually made that post. So here is the one that I made. It was on June 10th of 2024. I did post saying, is anyone else having troubles accessing the Theta Network AI tools? When trying to open the page, it doesn't load. Thanks for the info advance. So that's what I mentioned. It was like 2 days in advance. Unfortunately, I wish they gave me some sort of credit. I don't know if they knew ahead of time, but based on the dates that they were making their post, it kind of is after the fact of when I posted it, and then I had to tag the people who I thought would be able to help as soon as possible. So that is just my own opinion, guys. If you put some thoughts and comments down below about it itself, you're more than welcome to. Unfortunately, I wish they mentioned something about it. I don't know if anyone else on X mentioned it before me. I could be wrong just because I may not have seen it, but I just want to mention that there just because I feel like I gotta pat myself on the back sometimes if I find something before some of the other bigger individuals on the team. But who knows, maybe I could be wrong. Maybe I was a little behind myself. But hopefully, enough of that. Continuing on to one more part of the video, seen here that Mitch Liu posts on June 12th of 2024, 10 more days, $250,000 in prizes. Join Theta Network Hackathon link below, sponsored by Samsung Next with Google Cloud Tech judges and over 650 participants. 4 tracks, Theta Edge Cloud, Generative AI, Video, Rendering, and Gaming. So this is that link here if you want to look into more about it itself. But overall, that's all I really have for today's video, guys. I'm really looking forward to more Theta videos. So if you're an OG viewer and subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to the channel. Would not be here without you guys. If you're a new viewer trying to find as much Theta news, updates, NFTs, or any kind of Theta partnerships, please hit that like and subscribe button. Check out all the links down below in the description for all the links I post in this video, along with my Imagine Replay referral link if you are trying to earn as much TNC20 token, especially on the Theta blockchain, in addition to staking your Theta tokens to my Guardian node or staking your T-Fuel tokens to my Elite Edge node. I think that may be full of the Elite Edge node, but either way, help out my channel, help out the Theta Network, but overall help yourselves out, earn as much T-Fuel passively as possible, and then you're just going to be helping out to use that either on Open Theta, Theta Drop, any of the subchains on Theta, or just withdrawing it and exchanging it back to your own wallet. Just really am looking forward to seeing where the whole Theta process goes. I know the market doesn't look too bright in the making of this video, but hopefully when this video is released, we will see a better target for Theta. But until the next Theta video, guys, until the next Theta update, it is your boy Justin Bassetti, so try to keep up. Alright, deuces.